Hey, how's it going? So welcome again to my channel. I hope you're having fun. So today we have this package. Let's hope and wait to see what is inside. So let's open it. Okay, so wow, as you see, it's a battery charging box for GoPro. I just got my GoPro 12 and I had some order of some accessories, and I saw this charging box and I thought it would be a great idea for me to have another battery. And let's see. So I don't know what it is. Okay, so this is the charging instructions and all this stuff. Charging cable, USB-C, and the charging box. Okay, it's telluride. You have here 3 empty spaces for 3 battery, and it seems like we need to use 5 volt and 2.4A USB charger. So I hope this item will be useful. I think I will do another review after I will check and charge some batteries. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a super short one, but this fit for GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here you go. You have the link in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome to subscribe. Enjoy. Keep it up. Bye bye.